Now guys, in this video, we're going to be going over one of the most hyped, one of the most anticipated shoes ever to drop, one of the most hyped Yeezys ever to come out, you feel me? We're going to be going over those, when they're going to be dropping, where they're going to be dropping, and how you could possibly cop, you feel me? Because we all want to get paid off these. These are definitely going to be paying out a lot. You can easily see 500 profit on these shoes. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video if you don't want to miss out. YouTube, it's your boy back with another banger, man. It's been too long, you feel me? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about a very important event happening later on this year. Some of the most hyped up, bro, one of the best shoes is restocking this year, bro. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video so you can get all the information. And guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, you feel me? What are you doing? You feel me? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like the video if you did get anything from this video, or if you do get anything from this video, feel me? And make sure you guys comment and tell me, where do you think these shoes are gonna hit resale wise? Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all been living under a rock or anything, but you know what I'm saying, the Yeezy Breds have been rumored to restock this year. They've been rumored to restock for a while now. They're rumored to restock last year on Yeezy Day. Now I don't know if y'all was around for Yeezy Day, but bro, Yeezy Day was so crazy. It happened around November-ish last year. So when I made my first sneaker cop, that's when I first started reselling. Bro, it was crazy. I'm telling you, it was like 30 Yeezys that just dropped consecutively each hour, each 2 hours. It was just a different Yeezy dropping, and it happened for the entire day. Now, everybody speculated that they were going to be dropping that day, but they didn't, sadly, you feel me? Because I definitely would have caught some, but they're rumored to be releasing later on in December. Yeah, but I said it. December, you feel me, bro? If these release in December, it's gonna be crazy, I'm telling you, because this shoe is so hype. It's so sought after, like, bro, it's gonna be near impossible to cop, you feel me? But I'm gonna try to help y'all out with all the information y'all need. Now, of course, they're gonna be retailing for $220 like any other Yeezy 350, but the resale, you know what I'm saying, we're not too sure, because resale could be changed. It is projected to be around $700 anywhere to $900 in that sort of range, you feel me? But like, in my opinion, these are probably gonna drop heavy when they first drop. Like, I could see these touching maybe 500 when they first drop, because when I caught it was on Black Friday last year when they restocked the triple blacks and the triple black statics. Bro, the prices on the black statics dropped so low before they went back up. They still aren't up completely. I think I looked yesterday, they're like 900. But anyway, my point is, these are gonna drop. So if these do drop in price like I think they are, make sure you guys stock up on these, because these are definitely going back up super hype, you feel me? And these are gonna be dropping in full family sizing, so make sure you guys get your hands on whichever size. I don't care if you get a taller shoe, I don't care, bro. Get any size you can, because these are gonna go crazy on the market. And people say these are speculated to be releasing on Yeezy Supply or either select Adidas resellers. Select Adidas retailers, you feel me? But hey man, these are probably gonna end up releasing on Yeezy Supply as well as Adidas, so make sure you guys keep your eyes out on that. But it is some certain Instagram pages that do post like the information, and they keep you updated always. But of course, I'm gonna keep you updated on the channel, you feel me? Like, man, come on, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and guys, thanks for all the support. I appreciate everybody that's been supporting my channel. I've gotten a lot of messages over the last few days on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? I always reply, because I'll never be one of them YouTubers that leave my supporters on hold, you feel me? Like, I'm always helping you guys out. So if you guys do have any questions about reselling, make sure you guys do hit my DMs. This is my Instagram right here. You feel me? So guys, make sure you guys keep your eyes out for December. December is gonna be a very crazy month if these do drop. These are gonna go so crazy on the market, bro. I can't wait. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the month of December. It's gonna be crazy. I'm telling you guys, if these shoes do end up restocking, these are gonna be one of the shoes you're gonna wanna cop and hold for a year, 6 months, because they're gonna give you a good return, you feel me? They're gonna get you paid, you dig? So yeah, make sure you guys stay out for that. I'm also gonna be making videos updating you on the situation of the drop, you feel me? Because I gotta keep y'all informed, you know, you dig? And also, I'm also gonna be keeping y'all updated on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me once again. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you got any value from this video, learn something you didn't know once before, you dig? And saying? Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Ooh. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Make sure you comment saying what do you think these shoes are gonna go for. And yeah, man, this has been your boy. I'm out. See y'all guys.